In my last video, I forgot to take a look at the Pokemon card that came with Primal Groudon. Let's take a quick look at what I got. It is Lotad. It is number 2 of 12. We have another McDonald's toy. Let's see what we got today. It is Primal Kyore from the Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire games. It is number 3 in the series. Let's get this opened. Comes with Primal Kyogre, a Pokemon card, and some instructions. Let's take a closer look. This figure looks very interesting. It is made out of semi-transparent plastic and then painted over, so you can see inside it. I hate to say it, but the paint job is pretty bad. The paint is uneven and very rough around the edges, especially around the forehead area. There's some white paint splatter around the tips of the wings too. You can see through the mouth area to see the yellow water pump mechanism. This is very unsightly and distracting, as it makes it hard to make out the shape of the mouth. Let's see what Pokemon card we got this time. It is Zigzagoon. It is number 11 in this card series. A shiny card, and very cute. Let's check out the water gimmick on this toy. Just dip the mouth into some water and pull out the tail to suck in some water. Press the tail back in to shoot the water out. Mine seems to spray it out like a sprinkler instead of shooting a stream of water out. Not sure if that was intended, as it looks like the water hits the top set of teeth. Let's see if I can hit something. Okay, it can knock over a war machine. It looks like it is just making it rain on my other figures. It is too bad it doesn't shoot a stream, and the paint job is not that great. But it looks like it will still be a fun bath toy. That's it for now. See you next time.